What is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be talking about Cardano today. So the thing here is that Cardano has been under the price of 85 cents throughout most of the month of March, and now we have finally broken through that 85-cent resistance, and it's currently priced nearly 90 cents at this moment. So hopefully we can see it continuing this trajectory that it's currently on. Now, this is coming after some news that is out there about the possibility of a burn mechanism. So we'll be covering that, as well as what is the total value locked in Cardano right now. So we're going to get to some news, but do a little bit of a technical analysis. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash this story, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Helps me out with the algorithm, and it helps spread this content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to it. So looking at what's been going on with Cardano, we've had multiple days now in the green. So this is great. So we've been moving in the right direction, but now we're over that 85-cent resistance, and our next big resistance that we need to go to is $1. So hopefully we're going to be able to hold on to support at 85 cents and then work our way up to that $1 resistance and hopefully start trending back up from here. But this is looking good. I do like to see that we have had multiple green days. This is what we really needed, and the whole crypto market in general has been doing really well. We've been seeing the price of Bitcoin, trending up a bit, working its way up to that $42,000 price, and trying to find support above $42,000, which we haven't been able to do with Bitcoin yet. It's been struggling a bit, but it's been working its way there. Same with Ethereum. Ethereum has been working its way up to that $3,000 price, and it just keeps topping out there, but it hasn't been able to go above that or find support. But this is all bullish stuff for the entire crypto market. Now, just to do a quick look over at the crypto market cap in general, let's just take a look at how the prices of the cryptocurrencies are going. Now, we've had multiple days now in a row where we have seen a lot of these cryptocurrencies in the green. If we look at how Bitcoin has been up over the last 7 days, it's up nearly 7%. Ethereum up more than 12.5%. We have XRP up about 2.5%. Terra Luna up about 3.5%. Cardano 12%, and Solana nearly 12%. But other cryptocurrencies, other altcoins out there like Avalanche is doing very well, with Avalanche being up 25% and Polkadot about 5.5%. So we're seeing a lot going on over in the crypto space in general. So there are multiple bullish things that are going on that are really helping benefit Cardano and the rest of the crypto market. So let's get back into the news with Cardano right now. Now, like I recently mentioned in a previous video on Cardano, that there are over 500 new projects being built on Cardano, with majority of them all being NFT-based projects. So we're going to be seeing Cardano be more NFT heavy here in the future. Now, there's a lot of other things, though, in development with Cardano, and these are a lot of great things currently going on. So this next piece of information comes from Cardano.org, and this is talking about the Cadernal Roadmap, and this is a blog post from March 18th. Now, in this piece here, talking about Cardano decentralization, and where it goes into talking about the Hydra team, how they held a planning session and updated the Hydra development roadmap. They created technical documents and started working on the new website featuring user manuals, core concepts, and API references. Finally, they inspected the options of token mining and burning within a Hydra head, along with scenarios of using tokens instead of datums. Now, some people will say that this is not possible, or they're going to say that this is just a rumor, but do keep in mind that I got to this through the Twitter account of Input Output, where they did share this blog post, and that is where it came from. Now, we don't really have much information from Charles Hoskinson on this, where the only response that I can find so far is just Charles Hoskinson sharing a tweet from whalewatcher.guru, where they were talking about how Cardano is exploring a possible burn mechanism, and the only comment was this through a GIF. So that's all we got so far from Charles Hoskinson at the moment. Now, this is some of the biggest news so far to have come out from Cardano, so I'm sure a lot of people are going to continue to be talking about this. Now, let's just go real quick into the total value locked of Cardano, because this has been really growing. So according to DeFi Llama, the total value locked on Cardano is more than $273 million, and the majority of this is thanks to MinSwap, which MinSwap has more than a 58% dominance. Now, this is surprising though, because for the longest time it was SundaySwap, and just recently, MinSwap came out and it has really increased the amount of staking on Cardano, and it has now just surpassed SundaySwap. And this is a big thing, because if we just look at the one-day change of MinSwap, it is about 30%. 7-day change, more than 166%. MinSwap makes up about $160 million of total value locked, where SundaySwap now makes up about $112 million. Now, keep in mind that SundaySwap and MinSwap, these are just small parts of the Cardano ecosystem. There's still a lot of things to come out with different decentralized exchanges, and a lot of other things to come out with other projects as well within Cardano. And this ecosystem has a lot of things to look forward to. It's still evolving. A lot of these projects are still evolving, and we have a lot of things to really look forward to. And the big thing here is with the price of Cardano currently, where we see Cardano is at this, nearly 90-cent price right now. But I mean, looking back at where it was when it had its big bull rally, leading into the smart contract capabilities with the Alonzo hard fork at that time, where we had seen Cardano reach its all-time high above $3 at that time, there was still time for all these projects to start coming out. These things had to be worked on and rolled out. And for a lot of those things that investors were waiting for, and people started to sell off, and different things had happened within the crypto market. We saw a lot of people get bearish on Cardano, but now Cardano's is really low price, and in my opinion, it's really undervalued, especially since that a lot of the things that we were looking for during this time, they're coming out now, or they've been coming out. Now, with the potential burn mechanism and all these different applications coming out, I can only imagine what's going to happen to the price in the future. I'm still very bullish on Cardano, especially since, like I'm saying, I think it's undervalued, but that is just my opinion, and don't take that as any sort of financial advice. Do your own research. But I'd like to hear what you guys think about the price of Cardano. Do you guys agree that it's undervalued? And what do you guys think about the possibility of there being a burn mechanism within it? So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you guys for watching and listening. I'll see you all the next one coming very soon.